Welcome to Rezell Dance TV with me, Monty Rezell. Today is Tutting Tuesday. We're going to work on some basic tuts to get you going in your tut journey. We're going to start by working on some drills and exercises so that you build the proper angles and shapes for tutting. So you're going to start with the beginner level combo, and by the time the video is over, you're going to have an intermediate level combo. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to establish your angles. So when you're working with your tuts, you want to know how to establish your 90-degree angles. So first thing you're going to do is just start with a blade, fingers together, make a clean straight line. From there, you're going to tut your wrist. You have a 90-degree angle at your wrist. Touch your wrist the other way. You're going to try to form a 90-degree angle that way as well. So you have straight line. You have a tut at your wrist. Go the other way, you have a tut at your wrist. Now, in order for you to be able to get your 90-degree angles and have your clean lines, clean angles, clean lines, you have to stretch and warm up and stretch your wrists. So, what you need to do is put your arms out in front of you, make a fist. Don't move your arms or your elbows, and rotate your wrists all the way around. Then you go the other way. Can you hear my wrist popping like that? Wow. One more time. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Other way. Boom, boom, boom. Make a circle like this. Put your thumbs on top of your fingertips and flick your fingers. You're going to create tension, then flick. Create tension, then flick. 10 flicks. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. 20 flicks. Ready? Tension. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Good job. Stretch your wrists. Tut. Place your hand on top. Stretch it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Stretch it. Here's your tut. Place your hand on top. Apply tension. Stretch it. 1. Not too much. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. This is the tut you want. Stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. This one is my bad tut. Ooh, have a wrist injury, so I'm trying to get that flexibility back. So what do I have to do? I have to stretch it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Put your hands together. From here, you're going to stretch this tut by pressing your wrists down and keep your elbows where they are. Keep your elbows where they are. Press your wrists down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Other way. Now, your elbows are going to stay where they are and your wrists are going to go up. 10, 9, 8, 7, stretch, 6, stretch, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it out, roll it out, roll it out, roll out, roll out, roll out, shake it, roll out, shake it, roll out, shake it. All right, good job. Here we go. So you had a basic, and then we added a little bit of spice to that basic tut combination to make it just a little bit more advanced, to give you a little bit more of a challenge. We're going to use some of those same elements, and we're going to do another combo. It's going to be a little bit harder, but I think you can do it. Push yourself. Let's go. We're going to start with our 0 tut that we established earlier. So our wrists don't have an angle, 90-degree angle either way. It's just this blade. We're going to start with that line. We're going 1 and 2 and. So you have to break up all 4 of those lines. 1 and 2 and. From here, you do your same box tut that you already know. 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. From here, you're going to drop it down just like you know how to do. 4, switch it, 5, switch it, 6, push through, 7. So we're using some of those elements that you already know. From the top, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, you're going to flip it to the other side on 8. So you're here on 7, push it through to get to 7, flip it, 8. From here, tut, tut. Shake it out. Start over. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip, boom, boom. Go back, flip the top tut, wrist, flip the bottom tut, boom. From here, you're going to glide along your wrist and fingers. So I'm here, I flip it on 8, I tut 1, 2, then I'm gonna glide along my arm and my fingers. You saw that pathway? You're here. You're gonna slide over. You're gonna slide up. You're gonna slide over. Try it again. Push through. Flip it. Tut it. Tut it. Slide it over. Slide it up. Slide it over. Finish it out. We go elbow, drop, wave, stop. You got it. Shake it out. From the top we go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, flip it, 8. Go top, bottom, over and slide, top, top, wave. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Wave. Hop. From here, you're going to reset. Sorry, that was a lot. Let's do that with the counts again, and I'll count it better this time. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that again. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Let's do it with some music. Here we go. Take it slow. 5, 6, 7. Take it slow. We go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I think you got it. Let's do a tip tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. How'd you do? Let's try it again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey! Good job. Give yourself a hand. All right, we're going to do that one more time with no music just to make sure you can lock it in and practice it. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Rotate your wrists. Stretch them out. Make sure you keep them flexible and safe. Do all of these stretches. Do your finger flicks. Practice your TUT combinations. You have a basic, an intermediate, and an advanced combination from this video. Watch this video as many times as you need. Pause and practice if you need to. And I'll see you next time. Peace.